You don't have to wait for Samsung to formally unveil the Galaxy S24 series to find out about the new flagship phones. The unveiling is scheduled for early next month. The Galaxy S24 series is expected to have a strong AI emphasis. These phones will run either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Exynos 2400, which can both process AI directly on the device. This suggests that the Galaxy S24 phones may have some interesting AI capabilities. For instance, they could be able to translate languages while on the phone in real time. Convert spoken words into text in audio recordings for up to 10 users. Convert and condense text in Samsung Notes, expand images, create wallpapers, and more. The official Galaxy S24 series characteristics were also revealed by Evan Blass. She said that the Galaxy S24 would have a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic mold display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. For increased durability for selfies, it will employ the newest M13 OLED screens from Samsung, which are protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0. A 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera is included. Moving to the rear in the USA and South Korea, the phone has a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power it, whilst the Exynos 2400 will power the European versions. With USS 4.1 technology, the gadget has 8GB of RAM and storage options of 128GB or 256GB. The Galaxy S24 has a 4000 mAh battery that can enable 25-watt rapid charging. It supports Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and 5G. Android 14-based operating One UI 6. The phone is anticipated to retail for between $850 and $900 when it is unveiled in February 2024. Presenting the Galaxy S24 Plus, which has a remarkable 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz. Featuring Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with aluminum 2.0 for enhanced durability, it has an improved Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 x 1440. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.